Hello viewer, today we are going to start new topic which is basically 55 top profitable small business ideas in the United States. Before starting this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel Nida Vice TV and press the bell icon for the more interesting videos. Now we are back to our topic which is basically 55 top profitable small business ideas in the United States. Number 1 is become a transcriber. According to research conducted by international marketing research firm Market Stand Market, the speech recognition industry is expected to reach $12 million by the end of 2022. Check our detailed article on how to become a transcriptionist and make money. Number 2 is cleaning services, which is related to top low-cost cleaning franchise opportunities. Number 3 is become a life coach. There are many individuals who love to share pains and provide counseling to other people. Number 4, daycare. Full-time work engagement of parents has turned the daycare service into a profitable business. Number 5 is fitness center. The fitness center business demands carefully planning and research. Number 6 is mobile food truck. The mobile food truck business opportunity in the nature is different from a normal restaurant in two major ways. Number 7 is freelancing. Freelancing has a great business opportunity for people who are looking to work on a part-time basis. Number 8 is Handyman Service. The handyman service industry is generally provided services to the house owner and commercial clients. Number 9 is home appliances renting. Home appliances renting is a new trending business that can be started in any metro city where people generally relocate for their professional requirement. Number 10 is image counseling. Number 11 is jewelry making. Number 12 is landscaping. Number 13 is marketing copywriting. Number 14 is mobile saloon. Number 15 is online selling, which is very important fact in small business ideas. Number 16 is party service. Number 17 is sell personalized products. Number 18 is property management. Number 19 is recycling pickup. Number 20 smartphone repairing. Number 21 is finance consulting. Number 22 is translation service. Number 23 is upholstering. Number 24 is wedding consulting. Wedding consulting or wedding planning business may come naturally to someone who is organized and focused on detail. Number 25 is woodworking. Number 26 is graphic designing company. Number 27 is social media consultancy. Number 28 is marketing and promotional services. Number 29 is e-commerce store. Number 30 is writing services. Number 31 is computer training center. Number 32 is property management services. Number 33 is event management company. Number 34 is currency trading agency. Number 35 is tutoring services. Number 36 is printing business. Number 37 is organic farming businesses. Number 38 is shipping business. Number 39 is investment firm. Number 40 is crypto trading agency. Number 41 is catering business. Number 42 is restaurant businesses. Number 43 is digital marketing agency. Number 44 is elderly care facilities. Number 45 is API management firm. Number 46 is website development firm. Number 47 is wedding planner. Number 48 is custom baking business. Number 49 is pet grooming services. Number 50 is accounting services. Number 51 is healthcare consulting. Number 52 is adventure tourism. Number 53 is tree services. Number 54 is greenhouse business. Number 5 is hydroponics store. Thanks for watching my video.